what's up everyone? Okay, I realized that this light is not exactly the right temperature. Give me a second. Oh, shit. Okay, hate it when it does that. Should be good, should be good. Okay. Damn, let's not disturb that. Okay, today my face is like a bit darker than usual. Yeah, today my face is darker than usual. Let me fix that. Okay, it's brighter because it wasn't as dark as yesterday. So yesterday was slightly dark. Okay, so what are we doing today? You know, last week I was doing this futuristic events overlay. Let me show you which one is it? So this is the one. Yep, this is the one. You can see at the top left hand corner, the one at the bottom, the red color one. So that is the one which I will be using as a theme to create the face cam. If you guys were here yesterday, I did a face cam yesterday with a rainbow theme, the one which I'm using right now. This is the rainbow theme face cam, so with some light animation over there. So this is what I did yesterday. This particular face cam will be uploaded to my store most likely by this weekend. So yeah, high chance by this weekend. So this weekend I will upload the face cam itself. I'll upload the face cam itself. I'll upload the face cam and the events overlay as a set. So there will be two pieces, or rather two set. There'll be two different product in a way that I will be uploading to my store. The face cam itself that you're seeing over here, the face cam with the events overlay right at the top. So it will be a set. So it will be on my store. But today I am doing a face cam to match this. So the red color thingy. So I'll be using that as a theme for that. But before that, okay, as I was saying yesterday, the channel points, right? The channel points that you guys are earning, the channel points, not the channel points. Okay, the points is actually stream element points, the so-called the loyalty points. So with the loyalty points itself, I will have something like this. So this thing will be there. There even is a photo redeem command. So you guys with the channel points, right, you head over there, and with the amount of channel points, not the channel points, with the amount of points that you guys have, you will be able to use the point and redeem for one of my photos. I'm still curating some of the photos. So I have a lot of photos. Yeah, this is currently what I have right now. So I'll add more photos. I'm still considering some of my best photos which I am selling on Shutterstock. I'm not sure how much points should I set for that, because yeah, maybe you see, okay, if you see 30,000 channel points, those are high chance those are photos which I am currently actively selling on Shutterstock. So I need to make that higher in a way. So I'm still doing with that. If you guys have any suggestion, you know, if you head over to my profile, my Twitch profile, there is a link that says photography, B-roll, and things like that. So you head over there, you will be able to find my gallery. So the gallery have my photos. Obviously, you cannot download a full res of that, so that is actually a low res photo that is being used for preview. This thing, upon redeeming for the photo, I will DM you guys the photo. So this is 20,000 per photo. Okay, running low on water already. Man, I tell you, I've been so busy with my blog. You guys want to check out a preview of my blog before I get started with my arts with the face cam. So this is the blog that I have been doing up. The layout is more or less confirmed. So the thing that I need to wait a minute. Okay, I forgot to publish the update. Yeah, usually the start of my stream is usually it's dead for at least 2 hours. So I'm thinking, okay, since it's dead at the start, why not just showcase my new blog a little bit. But again, this is not confirmed yet, so this is really not 100% yet. So some of the layout might still change. The thing that is preventing me from publishing this, or rather advertising this, is this particular review post. So I need to finish this particular post before I start advertising my blog on my website. But yeah, this is more or less the format is going to be like this. Yeah, more or less it's going to be like this. So I need to run through the article again, see if there's anything which I missed before I release this article officially, and also publish my website officially. Yep, okay, that is could be it. When there is people popping in, then I will mention this again. So I'll mention this site again if and when I have people popping in. Okay, without further ado, let me get into what I am supposed to do today. Facecam. I started slightly later than usual today because I was playing Dead Poly with the boys, with my friends. So Dead Poly is on sale. Dead Poly is on sale, so I have quite a fair bit of new players. Some of my friends went to buy the game, so it's on sale. I think it's for $5, $5 USD, I think. $5 USD. So those of you who are interested, you can get that right now. It's on sale. Okay, I have not exactly decided how to do facecam, but same with the rainbow facecam, the one that you are seeing right now on the top left hand corner, just right above, all the way right above my facecam. So the one at the top, I did that yesterday. If you look at that and you look at my facecam, so I try to give it a similar theme. So in terms of design and design, the shape, and everything. I try to synchronize that as a set, so that it looks like it is a set and not different pieces pieced together. So I'm going to do the same thing with what I'm doing today. The one that is top left hand corner, the second one, so the one below, the one with the hexa tile and some nice fanciful lights glowing in the background. So that is the thing which I will do. So I will try to create a set for this similar theme. It is not loading. Oh man, I tell you guys, I'm so tired. I'm a bit, I'm feeling a bit slightly drained, starting to get drained already. Yeah, I'm doing so many things at the same time. Creating overlays, I'm doing up my website, I'm creating a video content for my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm starting to get pretty drained. Okay, so this is the one which I have done last week. So based on this set of design alone, I'll create a face cam. Before that, let me just throw all of this in. Okay, why are they? Wait, I have two photos here. Okay, why are there two photos here? Save this. Okay, I need to check if my sound is okay, my voice is okay. Because yeah, it'll be funny if I went through 2 hours and my microphone is muted. It did happen before, not for 2 hours, but for a good half an hour. Okay. Oh, what the heck did I do? Hey, Haiku! What's up? I'm doing a face cam again today, but the face cam today it will be special. Why? Because the face cam is based on one of my favorite. What the heck is this? Oh, this clip. Yeah, this is a funny clip. Okay, for those of you who have no idea why he's laughing, the one driving is not his teammate. The one right in front of him is not his teammate. It's another person from another team. So he got into the vehicle. Oh, this is the best clip. This is your best clip, man. This is your best clip. Oh, it's funny as hell. This is really very funny. Hey, how's things, man? How are you feeling? I am, well, for me, I'm starting to get a bit, I'm starting to feel a bit drained. I've been doing so many things. Yeah, I'm starting to get a bit, slightly mentally exhausted. So I have Okay, I'm starting a new blog site. I'm still doing my overlays. I'm creating video contents. My video editing side of the business is starting to die down, but it's okay. What else? I don't know. I'm doing a lot of things. I'm really starting to get slightly drained. So it will be good. Every Thursday. Okay, tomorrow I'm heading out to take some videos and also to take photos. Tomorrow I'm doing my photo hunt for a competition. Okay, just want to bring your attention. I told you about the stream element points. The point system that you guys are having. That I want to allow you guys to use the points to do something. So this is not Twitch points. This is stream element points. So on the link itself, the stream element store, there are photos which I am curating. I'll be adding more and more photos that you guys can redeem it. But I need to set this pretty high because I don't want my photo to feel cheap in a way. So I don't want my photo to feel cheap. So the photos will be up for redemption. The photo will be up for redemption. When you redeem the photo, remember to take your time with things. So I have to because I am starting to do. I'm like I said, I'm adding one more things on my shoulder, my blog. So for some of you who don't understand, I think Haiku understand. For some of you who understand, why am I doing so many things at the same time? I gotta make something work. Stream, overlay, my video content, my store, now my blog. I need to make one of these things work. So I'm trying to balance out everything. So every Thursday I don't stream. Those of you who don't know, every Thursday I don't stream. What I do every Thursday, I head out there, take photo, take video. Tomorrow I'll be doing both. I'll be taking video for my YouTube channel, and I'm also heading out to take photo with a phone. So that is a global imagery award for 2022 that is organized by Xiaomi. It's a global competition. It's open to everyone, but the criteria is I think you need to own a Xiaomi phone. So I'm taking part in at least one category, the architecture category. So the architecture, I'm at least taking part in the architecture category. So I'll be heading to 2 areas tomorrow. Hopefully I will have a video produced for you guys to see on Saturday. So if everything turns out right, I'll drop it on Saturday. Basically I'm heading to 2 areas: the skyscraper, the modern skyscraper, and also the Oriental architecture. So I'm heading to this area. So I'll be walking quite a lot, taking photos, trying to see if I can take anything unique that I can take part in the competition. I think it's called Xiaomi Imagery Awards 2022. That is the one which I'm taking part in. So those of you who owns a Xiaomi phone, go and check it out. If you can win something, the top prize is $10,000. The second prize I think is Sony Alpha A7C. I think it's A7C. I don't think it's A7 Mark IV. I think it's A7C. Most importantly, money is important. Most importantly is the bragging rights. With your name up there, people will start to notice. For me itself, if I'm able to get even a recognition, people will. I will be able to expose myself as a photographer in a way. Not by trade. So not by trade, but nowadays photographer is a pretty loosely used name. Yeah. So that is the one. Anyone who is interested, anyone who owns a Xiaomi phone, go and check it out. So I know that phone is available globally, so you can get the phone anywhere. And yeah, So I have mine. It's not a flagship, but it still have a 108 megapixel camera, which is good enough. Why I say good enough? I have got photos been approved that's taken from my phone on Shutterstock. At the same time, I'm using IDEM, so I'm using something called IDEM. For those of you who are interested, IDEM, go and search for me. So search for StuckOnUrban Studio. Hit me a follow or something. So you should be able to find me on IDEM. So some of my photos that is taken by a mobile phone is being approved and even pushed to their partner site. What partner site? I can tell you the partner site is huge. Okay, you don't get any bigger than Getty. Oh yeah, I know. I used to have a Sony Ericsson. I cannot remember the model. Sony Ericsson. Yeah, that one is like 2 megapixel. Oh, it was. Oh, I can tell you when I went to the shop, I say, oh, I want to buy that. So back then I was like, oh, it's like the holy grail of phone, 2 megapixel. Oh man, we were like going around taking photos, showing off. Yay, look, here's my 2 megapixel camera phone. Yeah, you should change your 1 megapixel or I don't know 0.6 megapixel. I got a 2 megapixel Sony Ericsson phone. Eat that, in a way. 2 megapixel was so huge. How long was that? You are about my age, so you should remember Sony Ericsson. Back then, Sony Ericsson and Nokia were like the 2 biggest dog. With Nokia being bigger, but Sony Ericsson were 1 step ahead in terms of camera. So Razer flip phone. Did I own a Razer flip phone? I don't think I own a Razer flip phone. I think I jumped ahead. So I jumped ahead from Sony Ericsson. I went to Windows Mobile 5. Windows Mobile 5. The Razer flip phone. I know I jumped ahead. I skipped the Razer flip phone. So I jumped ahead all the way from Sony Ericsson to a Windows Mobile. So I jumped quite far ahead. Back then there was a Taiwanese model called DuPort. I own a DuPort phone, which is something like that. Not a big screen phone, but a phone with a number pad. So I own a DuPort. I cannot remember. I think it's a DuPort X2 or something like that. I cannot remember. So that was a Windows mobile phone. I jumped ahead. So I skipped the Razer flip phone era and I jumped all the way to a Windows Mobile. Back then, Windows Mobile was the one of the hip thing. So back then this Palm and Windows Mobile were fighting. Palm were ahead, but Windows Mobile were pretty popular with the techie people. So why? Because Windows Mobile, you can edit the XML to your soothing. I did a lot of editing on my Windows Mobile phone. I think at the time I was running a Siemens microcell. Oh, what is a Siemens microcell? Siemens was huge. It's a German brand. So back then even the Siemens companies itself in Singapore itself. Siemens is among the more premium prestige brand. If you are working for Siemens, you are up there. You're up there. You're among the elites when it comes to technology company back then. But Siemens basically just died down. I think Siemens is a German brand. Is Siemens not a German brand? I think Siemens is a German brand. Yeah. Oh, a lot of things, man. Oh man, back then it's like, oh, back in those days. Yeah, really back in those days. I make it sound like I am pretty old. In fact, I am. I am O. Oh, sorry, I gotta sneeze. Okay. I know. Okay, now I need to draw a border. Okay, in order for me to highlight the hexel, okay, this is what I have thought about. Let me close the essential so that you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm talking about this. So how do I want to, sorry. Okay, so how am I doing this? So I thought about this, just, you know, I'm thinking on the fly. If I have a standard border, put the one in general. Ooh, okay, I want to check out. Oh, I remember this. Oh, I remember this. Oh, I remember this. Some of the Siemens, yeah, it's a dinosaur, but back then it is really the top of the line in terms of design and everything. The design is getting ahead of Nokia. If you can still remember the old Nokia model, right? The whole thing looks like a brick, you know. The keypad, everything's like pretty standard. When Siemens came out with some of this, the phone back then, their layout, everything were pretty ahead of line. If you can see this, right, you can see the number pad is like, the design is different. It's different from a Nokia phone. So Nokia started copying the Siemens designs. So right after Siemens came out with some of these phones, you see Nokia model start to shift. Nokia start to come out with funny designs. They even came out with the banana phone, and even a phone, I cannot remember the model, with the keypad in a layout that is a bit weird, that is a bit different from the norm. So Nokia did not started that revolution. Siemens started that revolution. I know some of you will argue that back then Nokia were hip. Yes, Nokia were at the top, but this brand from German, I think it's a German brand, they started a lot of things. The design is one of them. Nokia started picking their designs and coming out with something that is similar like this. Like you see the number pad here, it is not exactly a squarish side by side layout, so something like that. Nokia started picking up design like this. But back then, Siemens phones were pretty expensive. It really was quite expensive, a Siemens phone. Haiku, you got a lot of points, right? You know, just in case you miss what I'm saying. So I have a photo redeem that's up for grabs. You know, those of you who got more than 20,000 points, go and check out my photo. If there's any photo you love, just redeem it. I will catch the feed. So I will read that and I will send it to you guys. Yeah, very expensive. It is really very expensive. That's why I skip. So I skip a whole Razer era. Most of my friends are a lot. That is insanely expensive. That is really insanely expensive. So when most of my friends are holding a pretty hip Razer phone, I don't. I'm still using a Sony Ericsson, so I skip ahead. So I went from a Razer phone to a DuPont Windows Mobile 5. So Windows Mobile 5. Those of you who are not from my era, you will not know what the heck is Windows Mobile. You know Windows Phone. but you did not know that Windows Phone came from Windows Mobile, and Windows Mobile was way better than the Windows Phone. A Windows Mobile phone is basically a developer's phone. Why I say that? Because if you can get into the root directory, you can look for the XML file, the home screen XML file. You open up that, you edit it, you can do a lot of fanciful things. You know XML, you can do anything that is available, that is provided by the SDK, you know, part of the SDK. I skip ahead. So it's called DuPod. It's a Taiwanese phone. Redeem photo one. Okay, let me note this down. Okay, I need to note this down so that I can send it to you. Okay, so you got a 3. Okay, I will send that to you after the stream because I need to grab the full res photo. Give me a second. I need to get some tissues. I need to dig some hole, man. My nose is feeling very runny today. Give me a second, guys. I will uncover my face cam soon. I will add more photos. I will try to curate more photos. Yeah, for those of you who don't have enough channel points, unfortunately I cannot make my photo cheap. But 20,000 points are not exactly hard to get. So 20,000 channel, not channel points, 20,000 points are not hard to get. So if you guys are here often, then you should be able to get a lot of points. Those are really cool shots. I like 5 and 8 too. Okay. 8 is the one in it's a scene from China, where Avatar picked where the movie Avatar was inspired from. So that came from a place called Zhangjiajie. So Avatar, the movie Avatar, the scene were from that location. It's not the exact location, but a neighbor mountain. I think so. That photo I took it right at the top of that mountain. You know, the whole place was foggy. If I got that photo correctly, number 8. That is one of my favorite photos. Yeah, like I was saying, the points are not exactly hard to get. You know, 20,000 points. Yeah, it's not hard to get. Honestly, it's not hard to get. So I can't make it any cheaper because those are my pieces. You know, I can't make my pieces any cheaper. So I think 20,000 is a reasonable price. Okay, what was I doing? Oh yes, okay, I was saying this, the design of this, right? Okay, if you look at the events overlay, you will see the middle part has the hexer tile. The middle part got the hexer tile with the lighting effect. So I want something like that on my face cam, but I'm going to make this slightly different. If you look at the top left hand corner, the one at the top, that is in a way a defined border. So this face cam, I'm not going to give it a defined border. Yeah, I still have 70k, but I'll redeem some more next stream. Alright. Whew. I will curate more photos. I still got a lot more photos. I will curate more photos and I'll upload that into the store. So I will curate that. Okay, what was I saying again? Sorry, I'm starting to get a bit mentally exhausted. So yeah, but I am I'm still thinking, you know, I'm still able to borders. Yes, borders. Okay, I don't want to have defined borders for this particular face cam. Okay, I want to make this slightly unique. If you look at the bottom one, the top left hand corner, the second one, you will notice that the borders are not connected, so it looks like there's some opening. So I want my face cam to have a design something like that. So that means that I can go essentially thicker with my border, but I'm not exactly using it as a border. I'm using it as a border background with a maybe 40% transparency. So when the photo is put behind it, the edges you can see the design of the hexer thing, but you can see the hexer thing, but it should not be too in your face kind. So I also intend, okay, because I'm using a QuickTime Pro Res, I intend to make you know, there's a the outer edge and the inner edge. So I intend to make towards the inner edge to have some feathery effect, so that when you throw the face cam right on it, you can see that there's a feathered effect coming in, and not a translucent background that suddenly disappear. So this is the idea, but as I go along, if I need to make changes to that, you know, if I need to make changes to that, I will make changes to that. But now I need to set a border. Okay, let me see. 1.5 pixel, 1.5 pixel, and 1 pixel. If I am mumbling quite a lot today, yeah, you guys forgive me. I am I'm a bit mentally exhausted. At least starting to get mentally exhausted. Hey. Okay, right now I'm setting the borders first. So I need to set the borders. You see the inner part, right? The inner part is thicker than the outer part. That is what I'm talking about. So the inner part, I can do it in such a way that I set the opacity to maybe about 40%, 40 to 50%. You can see the design. You can see the thing that is like electricity or something like that that is being animated at the edge. So with that, I solved the animation already. So I got the animation done. So that would be the animation. Usually animation is something that I think about further down the line, but now I got the animation done. So you will be able to see the animation along the outer edge of your face cam, and yet it will not be too intrusive. I need to make it in such a way that it is not too intrusive. Okay, just need to get the border done first, then after that I can start drawing things. Yeah, I still don't know whether or not to accept my friend invitation for the fireworks. I still don't know whether to accept the invitation. Okay, so let me tune down the opacity of this. I still want the picture visible so that I have a better idea on how big or small the face cam will be. Okay, now we need to set a background. Okay, I need to check out some of these things. Yep. So at least I have a reference here that I can use. So a frame background. Okay, I'm using a hexa tile for this frame back. Oh no. Okay. So I have a shape. And I have a background, and I'm using that as a track map. Okay. Okay, let's do a shape first. So we draw out the border of we draw out the shape of the border. Although it's not exactly a border, but yeah, it's a border. Let's call this the frame BG. Frame BG. Have you finished your No Man's Sky already? I still need one fleet, and I will have finished everything. Is this the whole piece? Yeah, this is the whole piece. Okay, I need to make this the whole piece. So that means I will need to punch a hole, which is honestly good. You're done with the expedition, waiting for a friend that got you the game to share their base coordinate so that you can set up. Okay. Okay, let's use a dark gray, or maybe somewhere in the middle. Okay, let's use this. I don't need the background anymore. Okay, I'm just thinking, should I actually apply the hexa tile on this itself? Because the S-Class, how did you got it for free? CC hexa tile. Okay, let me see if I can apply the hexa tile to this layer itself. If I can apply it straight to this layer, then I don't need to use that earlier techniques, because I must have done that for a specific purpose. Okay, I want the hexa tile to be obvious. Just have to repair it. Okay. Okay, I need to rotate this 45 degrees. No. 30 degrees? Yes, 30 degrees. Okay, I want the design to be like that. Yep, don't have to worry about the middle part. Okay, I need to keep referring to this. Oh, wait. Yeah, the animation portion. Okay, should be okay. Okay, I don't want the face cam to be so square. So I am going to use one of this design. Okay, let me see. Should I use the chiseled edge again? Okay, let's use back the chiseled edge. Yeah, you will get used to it, man. You'll get used to it. There are a lot of fun things that you can do in No Man's Sky. Okay, something like that looks nice also. Okay, no, I'm not talking about face cam. I'm talking about, you know, creating a painting or something like that. Something like that looks nice. Okay, I want this layer visible so that I can, so that I know exactly how much to chisel. Yeah, I can't chisel this too much though. Okay, let's see. I can't chisel this too much. If I scale this down, okay, I need to be realistic about this. 22.5. So if I have something like that, okay. I need to plan first. I need to plan before I design the shape. I set this out to be a size of a 16:9 aspect ratio. So I need to give some leeway. As you can see, the actual border is going to be from the top. There are 3 lines here. So the top, the first line and the second line. So it's between the first and the second line. So between the first and the second line. Okay, between the first and the second line will be where the face cam will be contained. Okay, what if whoever uses that did a sloppy job at dragging the face cam? So I need to give some leeway to that so that whoever uses that actually don't make the face cam look so weird, or rather not how it is intended to be used. Okay, let me think. Because this face cam, the design is slightly different from my previous design, such that I don't have I'm not using a solid border around. I'm using a translucent border around it. So meaning when you have your face cam slapped under it, the part that is that's been overlapped with the translucent border will look something different. And I got the design to think about. Should I actually make this slightly bigger or not? Let me see. Okay, I need to mark the center piece. Mark the center. I can do some design on this. Okay, let's go do some design on this. So I don't want the edge to be chiseled. Instead of that, I am doing something different. So just to give it a bit of design, so the middle part will be chiseled down. let's make it slightly bigger. The background sound is okay, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Too much. I think I know what you mean. ROG goes for the design aesthetic in a lot of way. They do too. Kind of broken edge, non-symmetric. It's a cool look. Ah, okay. Really? Yeah, ROG goes for design like that. In terms of okay, what do ROG have? PC. They have their phone. Oh, yeah. Now that you mentioned that, ROG phone design is slightly towards that direction. Well, I didn't even know that. Okay, I did not even realize that. Okay, I bet not a lot of people actually know Asus original name. Who knows Asus original name? So Asus in the past are not always called Asus. The phone is what I thought. Yeah, the back of the phone. The back of the phone. Yeah, such design they like to do something like that, you know, they cut it in, cut it out or something like that, then they cut it. Asus original name. Okay, Asus is a Taiwanese brand. It used to be called ASUTECH. But nowadays you don't see the name ASUTECH on their boxes anymore. I don't think we see ASUTECH on their boxes anymore. They just simply call themselves Asus. But back then, when they first rise up from Taiwan, they were called ASUTECH. A lot of people don't realize that Taiwanese electronic is pretty good nowadays. Okay, in the past, so I came from an era whereby Japanese and German electronics are the best in the world. So the best in the world, German and Japanese. So nowadays, Japanese electronic is still the best, but German electronic are no longer up there. So it's been overtaken by Taiwanese electronics and electrical. So Taiwanese electronics are rising up pretty fast. It's still the name of the corporation though. Oh, they still use the ASUTECH as the corporation. Okay. So that means they are only using Asus as a advertising name, so to make it short in a way. Okay. So, I thought they changed their corporation name, so it's still the same. Okay. Yeah. So I can. Okay. You think of Taiwanese electronics. What can you think of? Asus, AMD. Asus, AMD. Now their chip is coming along pretty well. MediaTek. So MediaTek used to be a piece of crap. So right now they are. Okay, I just got disconnected. You guys hearing me? My connection just broke. Now it's okay. I think it's my cable. Either it's my cable or it's my USB hub. Sometimes my USB hub will just crash just like that. Not crash, it will just disconnect itself. Sorry, I'm back. My LAN cable just decided to. Yeah, my LAN cable just decided to DC. Okay, it seems to be taking longer time for Restream to send data to Twitch. Sorry guys, just give me a second. Right now only YouTube is connected. Right now only YouTube is connected. Twitch seems to I seem to be having some problem with Twitch, or at least Restream.io ability to send data to Twitch. That is weird. Shit, okay, I don't know what is wrong with Restream connection to Twitch. Oh shit, this is bad. This is bad. Yeah, this is not good.